Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. Now, with this job, this is Boldly, a company called Boldly, and the job role for this job is executive assistant, and it's based out in Minnesota. It's a remote position. And the pay for this job is $23 per hour, and it's a part-time job position. Yes, y'all. Part-time job position, and it's $23 an hour. Now, with this job, the benefits go as 401k, 401k matching, dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, parental leave, and vision insurance. Full job description go as this: executive assistant is a remote position. Why you? You are an experienced professional with a positive outlook and a passion for helping others succeed. You are looking for a long-term career opportunity with a company that is committed to work-life balance and that helps promote a culture of respect, kindness, and transparency. You are an excellent communicator. You take great pride in the quality of your work. You are a stickler for details. You are tech savvy. You excel at multitasking and you do it with a smile. While us, as a premium executive assistant company, we set the standards for remote professionals. We are proudly certified as a great place to work, and our allocates includes being named by Fortune magazine as one of the 50 best small workplaces and Entrepreneur magazine in their Entrepreneur 360 list as one of the best entrepreneurial companies in America. Military friendly, named as us as part of the top 10 military spouse friendly employers, and Flex Jobs as a top 100 company to watch for. We are also accredited by Flexa as a truly flexible employer. And when they're talking about their beliefs, it says, we believe that it is possible to have a rewarding career that doesn't conflict with your personal responsibilities and life choices. Our diverse team of business support specialists include parents, military spouses, caregivers, and those with unique life situations where working remotely part-time and on a flexible schedule is not just a nice to have. Uh, as a woman-owned business, we are intimately familiar with the challenges women and minorities faces in the workplace, and we are committed to maintaining a diverse, equitable, and inclusive workplace for all. And of course, as a remote first company since our inception in 2012, we are long-time established experts at leading and succeeding in a remote work environment. For more information about our company culture and to hear from team members about their experience in roles filled with variety and new learning, visit our job page at this website, boldly.com/jobs/. Now, about the position, this is a rewarding long-term career opportunity to work alongside established Fortune 500 companies, senior level executives, and successful business owners of small and medium-sized businesses as they make a greater impact in the world. As an executive assistant, you will have the opportunity to choose the companies that you support based on company values and your preferences, and to create long term partnerships with the executives that you support as you develop new skills and get exposure to a variety of industries. You will join our team as a part time W 2 employee with the opportunity to become full time in due course based on performance. As an executive assistant, you'll apply your professional skills in a wide range of tasks, including maintaining appointment schedules and calendars, planning and scheduling meetings, conferences, and travel, making travel arrangements, including flight and hotel bookings, maximizing the executive's time by reading, researching, and routing correspondence, drafting letters and documents, collecting and analyzing information, initiating phone calls on their behalf, email management, creating PowerPoint presentations, managing, excuse me, managing expenses, conducting research on various topics, providing customer supplier support, other executive admin responsibilities as needed. Your skills and experience. A minimum of 7 years of direct hands on experience in a role related to executive assistance and administration. Ability to multitask and prioritize work as needed. Excellent time management skills. Advanced knowledge of online tools and software such as Google Drive, Outlook, and Zoom. Ability to learn new tools quickly. Excellent interpersonal communication, strong writing skills, highly organized. A team player who is proactive, flexible, results oriented, and comfortable in a rapidly changing environment. Ability to work independently and under pressure of deadlines. Benefits you'll love: W 2 employment status, starting pay of $23 an hour with regular pay raises throughout your tenure, 401k plan with employer match, paid time off including vacation, sick leave, paid holidays, paid parental leave, technology stipend, excuse me, ongoing mentoring and support from your Boldly team leader you succeed to support you succeed with clients, excuse me. And while the position starts at part-time hours in due course, there are also opportunities to work full-time hours. Employees on full-time hours receive 100% coverage of medical, dental, and vision and life insurance. Show me the perks. Flexible work hours, work part-time or full-time hours, 100% remote from home, steady work with the same clients for years. Choose the clients who you want to work with. Join a team of like-minded professionals. Paid onboarding in-house technical support. Opportunities for collaboration with other members of the Boldly team. Camaraderie, camaraderie, excuse me, haven't seen that word before in my life. Sorry, guys. Camaraderie and all around support with our team Slack. Learning and developing opportunities in different industries, a positive and thriving company culture that understands work life balance, paid wellness events, and opportunities to grow with a leader in the remote work space. Company newsletters, team shares, quizzes, prizes, charity events, and celebrations. Fun company swag. Remote work is thriving and the future is bright. Don't miss out on joining us. Boldly is currently hiring in all of the 48 states within the contingents of the United States, excluding excluding Washington, D.C., Alaska, and Hawaii. This is a part-time job position, you guys, but it can always end up being a full-time job position if you depending on your performance, your work performance. And the pay for this job for a part-time position is $23 per hour. Yes, you heard me right. $23 per hour. And these benefits are amazing. They're lovely. You guys can see it right here in the list. And it's a day shift position, Monday to Friday, self-determined schedule, and it's remote, and they are looking for two candidates for this job role, you guys. And this got posted 4 days ago, so that'll be all for this video with this company called Boldly Exec. And then the job role for this job will be executive assistant, and its pay is at $23 per hour, and it's a part-time job position, you guys. Apply at their website. I will post the link down below in the description box. Remember to smash the like button, smash that subscribe button, smash that notification bell so you can know when I'm on with all these great resources. Get a piece of your work pie, you guys, because you are worth it. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.